Okay, today I want to talk to you about one of my favorite finds in the last 6 months or so, and it is these thin bookmark pens. Because yes, I still read actual books. I've tried a number of others in the past, but they're just too bulky and don't allow books to close right, especially hardcover books. But these are perfect. They're really light, they're super thin, and yet they still feel somewhat substantive in your hand. If you're like me, you're reading 4 or 5 books at a time, and so it's nice to have a number of these around and marking your spot so that when you come back to the book, you know right where you're at. Plus, if you find something worth remembering, you have a pen right there to either make a note about or to highlight so that you can come back later and remember what it was on that page that you wanted to take a look at again. These are great for students, readers. If you're journaling, it's nice to have a pen like this around. They really do write pretty well, even if I don't. And again, this is one of my favorite finds in the last number of months. I always have a number of these around. Just had to buy a new one to have one more on hand.